Level 1, the errand boy. Level 1 isn't glamorous. You're not a hitman yet. You're a tool. You're 19, broke, and connected to the wrong people. Someone owes money. Someone needs a message delivered, not with words. They hand you a name, an address, and a gun. You don't ask questions. You need the cash. The target is nobody, small time. You wait outside his apartment for 4 hours. When he walks out, your hands are shaking so bad you almost miss. You don't miss. You run. You don't sleep for 6 days. They pay you $500. You just ended a human life for $500. And the worst part? You do it again. Level 2. The contractor. Level 2 is when killing stops feeling like a crime and starts feeling like a job. You've done it 8, maybe 10 times now. You have a process. You scout the location. You study the target's routine. You pick the method. Clean. Quiet. No witnesses. You get paid. You disappear. You're not working for street gangs anymore. You're getting calls from people in suits, businessmen, politicians, people with real money and real problems. The contracts are $10,000 now, $25,000. You tell yourself these people deserve it. That helps you sleep. You're wrong, but it helps. Level 3, the professional. Level 3 is when you become expensive. You don't take every contract. You vet the clients. You set the terms. Your fee is $100,000 minimum, and you don't negotiate. You're worth it because you've never been caught. Not once. No evidence, no witnesses, no pattern. You've made deaths look like accidents. Heart attacks, car crashes, suicides. The coroner signs the certificate, closes the file, goes home for dinner. Nobody knows you were there. You have 3 phones, 4 identities, and 6 countries you can disappear into within 24 hours. You don't have friends. You don't have relationships. You have aliases. You're a ghost to everyone except your clients, and your clients are terrified of you. Level 4, the specialist. Level 4 is when governments start calling. Not officially. Never officially. It's always through intermediaries, cutouts, people with no names and no faces who hand you a file and walk away. Inside, a target. High value. Protected. Surrounded. You've killed heads of security details. You've eliminated targets inside embassies. You've made warlords disappear in countries where everyone is armed and nobody trusts anyone. And you walked out every single time. Your fee is now $1 million per contract, sometimes more. You don't know who's paying. You don't want to know. You do the job. The money appears. You vanish. You haven't used your real name in 11 years. You don't remember what your real face looks like without a disguise. You've become the job. Level 5, the one who doesn't exist. Level 5 isn't a person, it's a rumor. No confirmed identity, no known photograph, no file in any intelligence database on Earth. Interpol has a codename for you. The CIA has a theory. Neither has anything else. You've been active for 20 years, 30 confirmed kills, and those are only the ones anyone suspects. The real number is known only to you. Maybe you stopped counting. At level 5, you don't take contracts. Contracts find you, through a chain of intermediaries so long that even your clients don't know who you are. They just know you're real because the targets die. You've killed people that governments couldn't kill, people that armies couldn't reach. You did it quietly, cleanly, completely. And now, you could be anywhere, any age, any face. You could be no one. You could be someone you'd never suspect. The most dangerous hitman alive doesn't have a name, doesn't have a face, doesn't have an existence. Level 5 doesn't exist. And that's exactly the point.